Hello, girls and boys. Ready? Let's begin.
What you will need for this one is just a single app called ScreenCam, which is free to install, and you will also need a pair of earphones. The app works without earphones, but you will see why you need them in a second. So here's how to set it up. Open the app after you have it installed. Tap on Record Audio and select Internal Audio Default Source. It says internal audio, but it also records your microphone. I don't know what kind of black magic this is, but it just works, alright? I'm not asking questions. Scroll down to where it says Enable Target App and turn it on. Then tap Choose App and select whatever app you want to open right after your recording starts. Now let's just start recording with my audio set to somewhere around the middle and without earphones attached, just to see how it sounds with and without. In the background, I will also play some tune just so you get an idea of how it sounds in a noisy environment. That said, here's how it sounds. As you can see, you also hear some background noise in there, but with volume set to full, it can be somewhat eliminated. But nobody wants to play a game in full volume. Let's get